this way. Good job.
Present.
Yeah, it's a present. Okay.
Open.
What's inside? Help me open. Help Dada open. Now what's
Backpack.
Is it a backpack? What's underneath? Veronica, can you pull?
I'm a puppy.
What's that?
Puppy.
Oh, it's a puppy dog. Oh, Lizzie, you look a little nervous.
I'm gonna push the dog. I'm push. I'm push.
Can you give the doggy a hug?
Oh,
Oh,
that's very nice.
can you give the doggy a kiss? Oh, can you pet the doggy?
Pet the doggy.
Yeah, good job.
Ears.
Yeah, look at those ears. They're big and floppy.
He's eyes.
Yeah.
He.
What does he say? Yeah. What's his name?
A puppy. Little.
Veronica, do you think Lizzie will like the puppy if he gives her a kiss? What about 6? Oh, 6 does not.
Buddy. His
Yeah.
buddy.
It's Buddy, that's right. That's right, it's Buddy.
His doggy.
Yeah, it's a doggy. Do you like him?
His tail.
Yeah, he has a tail.
What's in the ambulance?
That's right, that is the sound of an ambulance, but it's okay.
Oh, that's police. They go to Walmart.
Yeah.
Oh, because of the
His
stadium.
mouth. His mouth.
Yeah, his mouth. Ooh. Can you pet him? Yeah, good boy. Good
Ears.
buddy. Yeah, you can pet his ears too.
When doggy.
Yeah, it's a doggy. Oh.
He said.
He's sitting.
Yeah.